101.1 Smartfm di Seperti Indonesia, BPEC.
Wow, bright and breezy.
Giving applause. Okay, we continue our discussion in the fourth or the third question. Okay, Jom, how do you think about this case? The people who never date.
I think it's strange,
Ah.
but it's their decision or their choice in their life.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe their comfort with their life without hangout.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe they're busy with their life. So
You want to say that too much distraction.
yes.
That's why no to say no to hang out because too much distraction, right? Too
Yes.
busy.
Yes.
Yes, like that.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Any else?
I mean, it's so make like
Mm-hmm.
maybe
Okay. I always waiting what you want to say. I always waiting. Okay. Okay. You wanna keep your statement? Keep. Okay. Keep. I move to you. I back to you later. Okay. Hi. Hi. How is it going?
Yeah, still alive. How about you?
Still alive. Okay. Come on, man. What time is it? Okay, it's okay. Okay. Anyway, do you know our topic this evening?
Sure, about hang out with our beloved friends.
Wow, beloved. Yeah. Oh my God, you create, improve, cool, improve.
Because we need to be at.
Yes. Okay, directly. How do you think about our simple topic this evening?
Well, actually, to be honest, I would like to say most of our adolescents in 90s mostly spend their time for hang out with their friends. That's why they have a good ability on public speaking. Like they are not afraid to talk with someone, even though they want to asking for his friend or her number. I mean,
Oh my
you know what I
God.
mean, lah. Yeah. Comparing to nowadays, mostly teenagers spend their time spend their time alone in their room, and which can cause their healthcare become bad, especially their eyes. They will have a myopia, myopia.
Okay.
Yeah, I believe that we should apply this hangout with our friend. Probably it's around 3 or 5 times a
And
week.
sometimes or oftenly hangout is also like a go rap. You know, go rap.
Oh, Gora, yeah.
Yeah, you are the
you can hang out without spend your money. Only spend your fuel.
I know
buy
you. I know you.
10,000 for fuel.
Okay.
Then you come to your friends and then hanging out or talking about like your religion or talking about what will happen in the future. Going to be busy for discussion.
Yeah, so we are very curious with whom you did or do or will hang out.
Okay, I often spend my time with several communities, like going to the communities talking about the hot topic or the random topic, because it's more beneficial to improve your insights, right?
But before we continue our discussion, could you mention or memorize the doa kafaratul majlis?
Oh, Subhanallah.
No, don't mention it. Don't mention. I'm kidding. Okay, continue your statement.
Wait, where am I?
You get a blank. Come on.
After I spend my time with my communities, sometimes my friend ask me to hang out, then I hang out with them. But I always remember my schedule. If I forget my schedule, it's very bad, right?
Yeah.
As the adolescents, right? We are the great adolescents, and we are the golden generation.
Yeah, and we are the champions.
If we are not disciplined right now, what will we become later, right? So we need to be disciplined or consistency or
discipline
everything. Right?
like this evening.
Sure. Okay. To be honest, I don't list I don't list my name, so it's not my obligation.
I like your style. Okay. And anyway, for the next question, you get a lot of questions because you know.
Sometimes you have to become hypocrite, right? Say the good things.
Okay. What is the last question? I get it. Okay. What is or are beneficial about Hangout?
Oh, as I mentioned before, first thing first is you will get a lot of relation. You know, right now money is important, but the relation is very important.
Oh, applause for you.
If you don't have connection, like you wanna get some jobs, like especially Pertamina, it's not easy, right?
Did not mention the brand.
Oh, I forgot. Especially,
okay.
especially if you wanna go to the huge company or the great company, you need to have someone inside that. If you don't have your backing up, people, I mean, you will be disappear from the list, right? Like if you wanna apply for medical major in some university, if you don't have enough money and you wanna pass through the independent way, I guess.
Smart viewers and listeners, this is a reality.
Yeah, that's a reality. Sometimes you need to pay money if you don't have relation. But if you have relation and power, you will get everything, right?
Okay. The essential is hang out. But the thing is connection or relation.
We need to build our connection, not just on the real life, but sometimes you need to find someone on the social media, especially LinkedIn. You know, LinkedIn. You need to have a lot of connection, which can cause people which can trigger the company will looking for your profile or asking you to apply for the company, right?
Okay, thank you, Richard. Nice. Okay, it's very complicated, but I love it. Okay, what about you? What is or are beneficial of Hangout, Jannah?
I think I already mentioned about my statement before about the benefit. So I said that also, seems like all of the friends said this before. There's also the about the society and also.
Sorry. I said, but the last question is, how do you think about the people who never did do Hangout, right? Okay. Apologies.
I think it seems like the others also. It's their choice for maybe they have something to do, like they more comfortable, like spend their time like go hang out alone. Like sometimes I also do that, but also I go with hang out with my friends, but maybe they're more comfortable, like maybe don't need a match about their how to say lingkungan, about the new lingkungan, so they didn't want to like hang out with the new friends. Maybe they're too shy for that. So I think it's okay for them. So still they have to like maybe can like spend their time with the best for their life. So I think that's fine. But you must know that this important thing is hang out with friends is also important. Seems like the other mentioned about the benefits before.
Yes.
So you can get a lot of benefit with when you hang out with your friends and get a lot of friends, I guess. So I think that's my statement. Thank you.
Okay, move to you, Richards again. Yeah, you. How do you think about the people who never did or do hang out?
I think they are not. They don't use their chance to making some friends. This is the globalization era.
Wow.
You need to expand your connection with other people. Even though you spend your time on the monitor or on your phone, find some friends, but come on, man, you need to be realistic, man. If you don't have public speaking skills and you don't know how to get approach, you don't know how to approaching someone, like you wanna approaching your boss. Boss, come on, can I get a lot of salary? Yeah.
CCM, yeah.
You need to have the skills, right? Because in the work field, everyone try to knock each other.
Okay, I get a point. Okay, move to you, Jen. Yes. What is your conclusion about our topic this evening?
Okay, so this topic is actually is simple topic, but it's kind of interesting, like discuss with all the people here. So yeah, I mean the conclusion is to hang out with friends. It's also important for our life, guys. So if you have a time, like maybe someone to like ask to for go outside, just take a chance for maybe you can make some relations. So yeah, I think it's also important for us to hang out with our friends or maybe our family, some kind of like that. So yeah, I think that's the great one for.
Okay, comprehensive. Thank you. What about you? What is your conclusion?
Okay. So my conclusion about our topic today. Actually, we're talking about hang out with our friends. But you said before that, what is your opinion about people never hang out? I think that people have some other perception about hangout. For example, like my mother, for example, if my mother visited my neighbor home, then my mother say it's like hangout because my mother can talking with their friends, and it's first they hang out. However, they didn't visit a beautiful place like we used to. Yeah, and then as a conclusion, I think that hangout is important, guys, but you need to manage your times. I mean, schedule your times well, because we are as teenagers. Must be able to manage our times as soon as possible, but it will give a good impact for our future.
Okay, so hangout is a relative. It's not absolute. It's not the big is, right? Okay. What is your conclusion, Nahui?
Yeah, so great was our discussion. Yeah, sorry for that. Yeah, not only did we talk about our experience tonight, but also we share each other about the benefit things related with Hangout itself. And then during the discussions, I felt that my mindset is creating like expand than before, so I can see from other perspective related with the Hangout itself, and then it's very beneficial for me to increase or to improve my point of view about Hangout, and I think that's all.
Okay, thank you. Great. Now, what about you? What is your conclusion about our topic this evening?
The conclusion with our topic today is hangout is important, which is when we stress or many busy, we need to hang out and meet other people.
Yes,
okay,
yes. Yes. Okay. Nice. I get a point. Thank you, Jum. Yeah. What about you, Richard? What is your conclusion about our topic this evening?
Okay. To sum up everything that I have stated before, I can assume that for those who think hangout is a bad thing, like hangout is a sin, like you make a scene, I don't think so. Like you just go hang out, but mostly people say if you hang out, if you doing often hang out, you will fall into the bad kenakalan remaja, like smoking or drinking. But I don't think so. It depends on yourself. If you can protect yourself or hold your desire, it will more beneficial for you, because you will get a lot of connection, as I mentioned before, and of course
make it short, please.
Okay, and of course you will have a good public speaking. Well, I think that's all from me.
Okay, guys. Okay, maybe you have words or something, some vocabularies. What about you? Do you have a vocabularies about our topic this evening?
Me.
Yeah.
Adolescence is same like teenager,
Mhm.
but in Indonesia is remaja or anak muda.
Okay. Jannah, do you have some vocabularies? One, two. Yes, vocabularies. Do you have a? No idea.
No, I think I don't have any idea, but yeah, just go hang out with your friends, guys.
Okay, wise word. What about you? You have wise word or vocabularies?
Probably, yeah, an
Final
idiom.
statement.
Once in a blue moon. It means that jarang. Something that you rarely to do.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Do you have vocabularies or final words? Wise word.
Beneficial.
Mhm.
Beneficial is bermanfaat or
Okay, do you have vocabularies? Wise word?
Wise word maybe just hang out, because hang out is like beautiful things that we have to do in our life.
Okay, thank you guys. Giving applause first for us. Thank you for coming in our second home. Yes, BPC.
Wow, bright and breezy.
Okay, that's all our conversation, smart viewers and listeners at home. And our topic this evening, the topic is hang out with friends. And of course, as usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m., we will face together also in Smartfm 101.1, the spirit of Indonesia. See you next week. Bye-bye.